Welcome to this in-depth review of MillionVerifier, an email verification tool designed to help businesses and marketers clean their email lists. If you've been struggling with high bounce rates or poor email deliverability, this tool is here to help. Let's take a closer look at what MillionVerifier has to offer. First, let's talk about the advantages. MillionVerifier is known for its fast and accurate email verification process. It can clean large email lists quickly, detecting invalid, disposable, and potentially harmful email addresses. This is especially useful for marketers looking to keep their email lists fresh and ensure their campaigns are reaching the right people. The tool also offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to upload their email list and start the verification process without a steep learning curve. One of the standout features of MillionVerifier is its ability to verify email addresses in bulk. Whether you have a few hundred or several thousand email addresses, MillionVerifier can handle the task efficiently. It supports multiple file formats, making it flexible and adaptable to various business needs. The service also integrates with major email marketing platforms, so you can directly import your cleaned lists into your campaigns. However, MillionVerifier does have some limitations. While it's highly effective at detecting invalid email addresses, it may not catch all subtle issues, such as certain email deliverability problems or spam traps. Additionally, while the service is generally fast, the verification process can take longer with very large email lists, especially if you are using the free tier. Now, let's talk about the pricing. MillionVerifier offers different pricing tiers based on the number of emails you need to verify. For smaller lists, they offer an affordable pay-as-you-go option, but larger businesses may want to opt for one of their subscription plans for a better value. The cost per verification is reasonable compared to other email verification services on the market. In the middle of all this, if you're looking for a great tool to manage your emails and keep your inbox clutter-free, Clean Email is the perfect solution. Follow the link provided in the description to experience the best email management system out there, saving you time and improving productivity. MillionVerifier's email verification service is solid, effective, and easy to use, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to clean up their email lists. However, if you're working with exceptionally large datasets or need advanced features, you may need to consider other options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on the best tools for your business. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something new.